Okay. Next, fourth sum. It's number 244. If x equal to a into t minus sin t, y equal to a into 1 plus cos t, find d square y by dx square second derivative, y double dash find out చేయాలి, f double dash of x. First of all dy by dx find out చేయాలి, next d square y by dx square find out. అంటే గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఎలా ఉంది, given that given data into x equal to a into t minus sin t, y equal to a into 1 plus cos t, a into t minus sin t, y equal to a into 1 plus cos t. For this, in terms of t's లో ఉంది, ఇది parametric form లో ఉంది. Parametric form అంటే dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dx equal to first dx by dt అనుకుందాం. dx by dt equal to differentiating with respect to t, a into t derivative 1 sin t cos t, dy by dt a into 1 derivative 0 cos t minus sin t, that is minus a sin t. Now dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt, dy by dt by dx by dt, dy by dt minus a sin t, dx by dt a into 1 minus cos t, a into 1 minus cos t, a cancelled, minus sin t 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 by 1 minus cos t minus 2 sin square t by 2, minus 2 cancel, sin cancel, cos by sin, cos t by 2 by sin t by 2, that is cot t by 2. dy by dx equal to cot t by 2, dy by dx equal to cot t by 2. Okay, 1 minus cos t plus 2 sin square t by 2 minus cot t by 2 minus cot t by 2. Next, d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square second derivative, cot t by 2 can be minus cosecant square t by 2, inner derivative of t by 2 1 by 2, t ki dt by dx with respect to x చేస్తున్నాం కదా, అంటే లోపల ఉన్న t కూడా with respect to x dt by dx అప్లై చేస్తాం. అంటే dt by dx ని తీసుకెళ్ళి దాంట్లో సపరేట్, అంటే dx by dt ఉంది, dt by dx ఏమవుతుంది 1 by a into 1 minus cos t అవుద్ది, minus 1 by 2 cosecant square t by 2 అంటే 1 by sin square t by 2, dt by dx అంటే 1 by dx by dt, 1 by dx by dt అంతేనా. dt by dx equal to 1 by dx by dt, 1 by dt by dx, minus 1 by 2 1 by sin square t by 2 1 by a 1 minus cos t 2 sin square t by 2, 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 4a 1 by sin power 4 t by 2, that is minus 1 by 4a cosecant power 4 t by 2 minus 1 by 4a sin square into sin square cos power sin power 4, sin power 4 means cosecant power t by 2. Okay, cot t by 2, cot again minus cosecant square minus cosecant square cot t by 2 derivative that is minus 1 by 4 cosecant power 4 t by 2. Second derivative of parametric form. Parametric form అంటే ఫస్ట్ దాని x equal to a into t minus sin t, dx by dt equal to a into t కి డెరివేటివ్ 1 sin t cos t. అలాగే dy by dt a into 1 కి 0 cos t minus sin t, that is minus a sin t. dy by dx the next dy by dt by dx by dt, that is dy by dt minus a sin t by a into 1 minus cos t, a cancel, minus sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2, sin t by 2 cancel, cos by sin cot t by 2 minus cot t by 2 minus cot t by 2. Therefore derivative d square y by dx square, second derivative minus into minus plus cosecant square t by 2, అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ వస్తుంది cosecant square t by 2, t by 2 derivative 1 by 2, t కి dt by dx, dt by dx అంటే 1 by dx by dt, 1 by a into 1 minus cos t, 1 minus cos t 2 sin square t by 2, 2a into 2 1 by 4a sin power 4, 1 by sin power 4 means cosecant power 4 t by 2, that is fourth sum. First one, if y equal to 2x plus 3 by 4x plus 5, 2x plus 3 by 4x plus 5, find y double dash, find y double dash, y equal to x plus 3 by 4x plus 5, given that y equal to 2x plus 3 by 4x plus 5, y equal to u by v, u by v, dy by dx on the v into u dash minus u into v dash, d by dx of u by v, v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square, v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square, dy by dx 4x plus 5 into d by dx of 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 3 into d by dx of 4x plus 5 by 4x plus 5 whole square, by 4x plus 5 whole square, 4x plus 5 d by dx of 2x 2 3 to 0, 2x plus 3 d by dx of 4x 4 5 to 0, 4x into 2 8x, 2 into 5 10 minus 4 into 2 8x minus 12 by 4x plus 5 whole square, that is 8x cancel, minus 2 by 4x plus 5 whole square, that is minus 2 into 4x plus 5 minus 2 power minus 2, minus 2 into 4x plus 5 power minus 2, that is dy by dx, d square y by dx square, second derivative, minus 2 constant x power n, minus 2 into x power n minus 1 into inner derivative of 4x plus 5 4 into x, 4x plus 5 ki 4 x ki 1, 8 to 8 to 16 by 4x plus 5 power 3, 16 by 4x plus 5 power 3, okay, that is second derivative y double dash, y double dash. ఫస్ట్ యూవీ రూల్ అప్లై చేస్తే y డాష్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, దీని నుంచి x పవర్ n ఫార్ములా n into x పవర్ n minus 1 into inner derivative, that is second derivative of y equal to 2x plus 3 by 4x plus 5. Next second one, if y equal to a into e power nx plus b into e power minus nx, find prove that, show that y double dash equal to n square y. Y double dash equal to n square y. Given that y equal to a into e power nx plus b into e power minus nx. First differentiating on both sides. Differentiating with respect to x, we get y dash equal to a into e power nx 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 plus b into e power minus nx minus n minus n. Minus nx can derivative minus n. Next, differentiating with respect to x, again differentiating with respect to x, we get y double dash equal to a into e power nx into n, nx can minus n into minus n, n square b into e power minus nx, n square common out. Appudu avudhi y double dash equal to n square into a into e power nx b into e power minus nx, n square into ee part avudhi y. Therefore y double dash equal to n square into y. First, given that y equal to a into e power nx plus b into e power minus nx, differentiating on both sides, we get y dash equal to a into e power nx, inner derivative of nx n, b into e power minus nx, inner derivative of minus nx minus n. Malli second derivative apply chesta, a into e power nx, nx inner derivative n into n, n square, b into e power minus nx, nx derivative minus nx minus n minus plus n square common out. A into e power nx plus b into e power minus nx, n square into y, అంటే d by dx of e power x కింద ఫార్ములా e power x, ఇదే అప్లై చేస్తాను. దట్ ఈస్ ఫైండ్ ద సెకండ్ డెరివేటివ్ of the following functions. First one, sin cube x, cos cube x, y equal to cos cube x. అంటే y double dash కనుక్కోవాలి. y dash equal to the derivative చేయండి, cos cube 3 cos square x, inner derivative of cos x minus sin x, that is y dash equal to minus 3 cos square x sin x. Next, again differentiating, with respect to x, y double dash equal to minus 3 u rule, cos square x into d by dx of sin x plus sin x into d by dx of cos square x, sin x into d by dx of sin x into d by dx of cos square x, that is minus 3 into d by dx of sin x cos x, d plus sin x d by dx of cos square 2 cos x కింద derivative minus sin x cos cube x minus 2 sin square x cos x. Okay, that is second derivative of cos cube x. First derivative ఏంటి 3 cos square x d by dx of cos x minus sin x, అది క్లియర్లీ అర్థమైపోతుంది ఈజీగా. సెకండ్ డెరివేటివ్ దగ్గర uv రూల్, d by dx of u into v dash plus v into u dash, అదే అప్లై చేస్తాను. u into v dash plus v into u dash, d by dx of sin x cos x d by dx of cos square x 2 cos x minus sin x minus 2 cos x sin square x minus 3 అలానే ఉంటుంది. That is second derivative of cos cube x. Next, third one, log 4x square minus 9. Second derivative of log 4x square minus 9. First, differentiating with respect to x. We get y dash equal to log x log 1 by 4x square minus 9. Inner derivative of 4x square minus 9. 4 into 2x. 8x 9 is 0. That is 8x by 4x square minus 9. 8x by 4x square minus 9. Next, second derivative. Again, differentiating, we get y double dash equal to u by v rule 4x square minus 9 into d by dx of 8x minus 8x into d by dx of 4x square minus 9 by 4x square minus 9 whole square. Y double dash equal to 8x 8. 4x square minus 9 into 8, 8x, 4 into 2x square 2x, 8x by, okay, y double dash equal to 8 into 4, 32x square minus 64x square minus 32x square minus 72 by 4x square minus 9 whole square. 4x square minus 9 whole square. That is second derivative of log 4x square minus 9. Use as formulas in d by dx of log x 1 by x. d by dx of log x 1 by x inner derivative. Next, u by v rule. d by dx of u by v. v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square. They apply this. Next, inner derivative of 8x minus 4x square minus 1. 8x, 8 into 8 is 16x power 4, 8x 8. 32x square minus 64x minus 32 minus 72 by 4x square minus 9 whole square. That is y double dash. That is y double dash. First derivative, log 4x square minus 9, okay, 1 by 4x square minus 9. Inner derivative of 4x square minus 9, 8x, 9 is 0, that is 8x by 4x square minus 9. That is second derivative of log 4x square minus 9.